So family, still not a lot of people understand the importance of the lymphatic system. So we got to continue to break it down so we can understand. So the lymphatic system is the power player of the immune system. The lymphatic system is what actually alerts the immune system to send out T cells, B cells to come and eat away debris and waste and acids that come from the acidic foods. The lymphatic system is made out of lymph nodes, lymph vessels, lymph ducts, and the glands are a very essential part of the lymphatic system. And just a quick info dump, the thymus gland actually teaches T lymphatic cells and B lymphatic cells how to be T cells and B cells to be able to recognize when a cell is damaged. So when we've used the compound like the chelation to break down a lot of that acidity and garbage, now this waste that has been broken down needs to be flushed out of the body. This is where we bring the lymphatic in because it is the sewage system of the body. It helps remove acids and waste from the system. Flush it on out. Then you want to use products like the Iron Power and the Mineral General to energize the body, give the body back its minerals as well, all 102 plus minerals. This is what keeps the body in a healthy stasis. So when you're flushing and removing waste from the system, you're also flushing out minerals as well. So we want to replace and replenish those minerals. So this is why it's important to have a little bit of Iron Power and important to have a little bit of Mineral General for all 102 plus minerals that our body consists of. This is what we like to call providing the body with a therapy, a full therapy to bring the body into wholeness. We gotta break down the waste, flush it out of the body, as well as keep the body energized and keep the body mineralized with all 102 plus minerals that the body is associated with. It's common sense, family. It's common sense. So, if this lymphatic product sounds like it would be something that you need to help easily remove waste from the lymphatic system so it's working properly and excreting fluids properly, I tell you, this lymphatic compound is definitely the way to go. 100% natural, and it works the first time. No questions about it. I'll see you on the other side of health.